to work at a smoothie place. So in this video, I'm going to teach you a recipe that I've adapted from then that is not only high in protein, but also great for the skin and great for the body. So first, we're going to start by putting a cup of Fairlife milk. I like Fairlife milk because it has tons of protein and not that many calories. But if you like some other milk, you can definitely use that instead. Next is the protein. So I use two different types of protein. The first one is unflavored whey. Now, unflavored whey tastes disgusting by itself, but it's great because it has no additives, unlike some other flavored proteins. So put a scoop of that in. Next, I put about half a scoop of plant protein. Plant protein is great because it slows your digestion and makes you feel full for longer, and also contains a lot of great nutrients. Next is collagen. I put 10 grams of collagen in here. Collagen I've talked about many times before, but it's great for your skin elasticity and does have some anti-aging properties as well. Next up, we're gonna put half a banana in. Bananas have tons of potassium and they also taste great. All right, next up, I got half a cup of blueberries. Blueberries are phenomenal fruits. They're one of the healthiest fruits in the world and they taste great in this smoothie. Okay, to sweeten it, because you are going to have to sweeten it, I'm gonna use Stevia packets right now because I ran out of monk fruit. But usually I use the monk fruit liquid that you put in, and I've also used stevia liquid in the past, and right now it seems I'm using stevia packets. So you want to sweeten it to taste, which means probably a lot of these. Okay, and now we're gonna put some ice, about a cup of ice. And lastly, because I forgot to add it before, you also want about a teaspoon of cocoa powder. You can do a little bit more if you want. I think about a teaspoon tastes really good. All right, and now we're gonna blend it all up. All right, and there it is. Let's try it. It is pretty good. If you're wondering, that there really wasn't that much in this. It was a lot of ingredients and not that many calories. So you can adapt, and I've made a few recipes that are better for bulking. This is definitely on the cutting side. I developed it to be low in calories. It is insanely filling, so you're gonna get full through half of this. This is not even the entire thing. This is half, you're gonna get full. It's great as a meal replacement as well. You can definitely go wild with this thing too. I put dates in this recipe. I put chocolate chips in this recipe. They both taste great. But if you want the bare bones, the least amount of calories for the most amount of protein with great nutrients, then this is that. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, then you might enjoy this video where I talk about the one high protein breakfast that I've eaten almost every day for the last 2 years.